Hey everyone, as you know our today's topic is on how to take screenshots in laptop Windows 10. So, let's get started. First open your screen, which you want to take a screenshot, then press the Prtscrn button. It will help you to copy entire screen to the clipboard. You can paste the screenshot into any program that display images like we pasted on Paint. Now, press the Window key plus Shift plus S, that will start your crop tool to adjust your screenshot area. You can also drag to select a portion you want to capture on your screen. Your screenshot is copied now to the clipboard, and from your notification bar you can view and save your screenshot to your device. On Windows 10 users can also directly save a screenshot by pressing the Window key plus Prtscrn. It will save the entire screen as an image file and store it to your system. If you want to see your screenshot, go to Folder and press on Picture folder, then click on Screenshot. This folder show you all your saved screenshots. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.